In this video, I'll show you how to install the Menyoo mod in GTA 5. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The Menyoo mod is a single-player mod that lets you spawn vehicles, change the weather, teleport, and use special abilities. Keep in mind that this mod is only for GTA 5 story mode and cannot be used in GTA Online. Let's get started. First, open the GTA 5 mods website using the link in the description below. Click Download, then click Download again to get the Menyoo mod. You'll also need ScriptHook V, so open the second link in the description and download it as well. Once both files have finished downloading, open your GTA 5 installation folder. You can usually find it in one of the locations shown on the screen. Now, open the ScriptHook V folder, go to the bin folder, and copy these 3 DLL files. Drag and drop them into your GTA 5 directory. Next, open the Menyoo mod zip file. Extract the menyoo.aci file and the Menyoo stuff folder, then drag both of them into your GTA 5 directory. That's it. The installation is now complete. Before launching GTA 5 through the Rockstar Games launcher, open Settings and disable Battle Eye by unchecking the option. Now launch the game. Once you're in story mode, press F8 on your keyboard to open the Menyoo mod. From there, you'll have access to features like vehicle spawning, teleportation, weapons, weather controls, and many more options.